see if we can get the ATIS here.
Wind speed 10 at 10. Visibility 10. Field 2,700 broken.
Seattle approach, Twin Cessna 86 Papa Delta, IFR request.
Was that Twin Cessna 86 Papa Delta off of Auburn?
Yes sir, 86 Papa Delta. I'd like to, we're on the ground at Auburn, be ready to depart in about 15 minutes, runway 16. Requesting the hold for release, clearance to Hillsboro with information Foxtrot.
86 Papa Delta, roger, and I understand you'll be taking off in about 15 minutes, correct?
Affirmative, Twin Cessna 86 Papa Delta.
Alright, Twin Cessna 86 Papa Delta, you're cleared from Sierra 502 Hillsboro as filed on departure. Flight runway heading, maintain 3000. Departure, correction, squawk's going to be 4705, and departure frequency will be 119.2, hold for release.
Okay, fuel cap's down on my side, down on
Down
yours.
on my side.
Fuel selectors and crossfeed. And autopilot, I'm gonna check real quick. There you go.
Automated
Max.
advisory, wind
Good.
210 at 6
Split.
knots, with gusts to 13.
Split.
Temperature 16
Pressure.
Celsius, 2.11
Pressure.
Celsius. Altimeter
Visual.
008.
Visual.
Good.
Call him on the phone here before because somehow something here is interfering. You don't get reception here, but you get it over there.
Alright, clearance now good for 5 minutes, and we'll contact ATC within 8 minutes if we're not off Papa Delta. Thank you.
Okay, let's go. So I got 122.8, which is CTAF, and I got 119.2, which is
Okay.
departure. AC, recirculate. We're clear?
Clear right.
Clear right. Clear left. Instruments in the green?
The green.
Okay, red line, 35, 35. Engine instruments in the green?
The green.
Okay. 80 knots, cross check.
80 knots.
And that's 95. There you go. Positive rate gear up.
Seattle departure, Twin Cessna 86 Papa Deltas off Auburn 1000, climbing 3000.
Twin Cessna 86 Papa Delta, Seattle departure, radar contact.
Okay, engine instruments are green, 1,000 feet to go, yaw dampener on.
86 Papa Delta, fly maintain 6000, contact departure 120.4.
To 6000, 120.4, 86 Papa Delta, good day.
Okay. Sawtooth 51, turn left heading 2.
Climb maintain 15,000, Scout 3653.
Seattle departure, Twin Cessna 86 Papa Delta is 2,700, climbing 6,000.
Cessna 86 Papa Delta approach, welcome the altimeter 3007.
07. Alright, 07.
Okay, climb anti-ice. I'm gonna turn a couple of things on. Actually, I'll turn them all on.
Twin Cessna 6 Papa Delta, proceed direct Busa.
Twin Cessna 86 Papa Delta. 181.
Legacy 3 Yankee Victor, descend file description, maintain 4,000.
3 Yankee Victor at a 7 for 4.
What's that temperature outside?
0.
Cool.
I got all my anti-ice on.
Approach on 128.5, good day.
1,000 feet to go.
445 Hotel.
It needs a little trim to the right.
6 Papa Delta, contact Seattle Center 126.6, good day.
26.6, good day, 86 Papa Delta. Seattle, Twin Cessna 86 Papa Delta is 900,000, climbing 10,000.
November 86 Papa Delta, Seattle Center, the Seattle altimeter 3007.
07.
Level 210.
These are taller than I figured.
We're gonna cloud surf.
Yep.
Seattle Sky 3694, 8,000, climbing 15,000.
Sky 3694, Seattle Center, Summit, maintain flight level 350.
Islands. We're at 11 minutes, and we only used 12.5.
Oh yeah, we are surfing.
It's awesome.
Oh, beautiful.
Top of descent, 40 nautical miles. Let's cruise this one onto the trip. Hillsborough, so 40 nautical miles and 18 minutes. Pressurization's good.
Number 6 Papa Delta, cleared direct to Ellen.
Direct Helens, 86 Papa Delta.
165. Nav mode.
Yep.
Okay, next checklist is gonna be, well, we can do the interval checklist real quick. We have engine instruments are in the green.
Contact Seattle Center 135.45.
Let's look at our EGTs real quick. 1550 is the max. They're all below that. Fuel quantity, looking good.
2109, Seattle Center.
We've used 15, 75 remaining. Fire extinguisher is good. Annunciator panel's clear. Pressurization is good. Temperature.
How's the temperature back there?
How's the temperature back there?
It's great. It's so pretty. Wow.
We're cloud surfing. That's what this is called right now.
Wow.
What are we getting for the cruise? I'm supposed to be getting a true airspeed of 171. I'm getting almost 190.
Wow. Let's see. Should we grab an ATIS now? It's gonna update.
Absolutely.
13 minutes, but
why not?
Why not? Yeah. Get an idea.
Fasten seatbelt sign on.
Report information accurate. Time 2153 Zulu weather. Wind 140 at 900, visibility 10. Ceiling 2,700. Broken 4,100 overcast. Temperature 163.11, altimeter 3012. Expect ILS approach, runway 13 right and runway 13 left and east. Caution, glider port active, glider activity within 15 miles of the airport.
You want to do ILS or RNAV?
You like the RNAV, let's do the ILS.
Let's do the ILS, no problem. ILS runway 13 right. It's going to be 110.7.
Yep.
I'm going to go ahead and activate that now. It's going to just change to VLOC later on.
110.7, let's
Yeah,
back
you can
that
go
up
ahead and back
too.
that up. First course 128. Okay, we're going to be, our last frequency is going to be with Portland approach, most likely on 126.0, then we're going to switch over to Tower 119.3. DOLA is our final approach fix, this is 2900. And that's where flaps 15 gear down will happen. Duca is going to be
6 Papa Delta, the Portland altimeter is 3014, contact Portland approach 124.35.
2435 and altimeter setting 0.14. It's Papa Delta, good day. Thank you. Portland approach, Twin Cessna 86 Papa Deltas 10,000, requesting vectors for the ILS 13 right with Echo.
November 86 Pop Delta, Portland approach. Expect ILS 13 right, anchor from approach course.
In case we have to go Mr. Approach, it's going to be going around everything full forward. Flaps 15, check thrust power, positive gear up, set Missed Approach altitude to 3,000 feet. At 1,000 feet AGL 1200 MSL, it's going to be climb power, flaps up after takeoff checklist. Is it a little hot in here?
A little bit, I think it's just the sun pretty much.
I could turn on the AC. Okay, here's 9,000.
10.5 to stay on the 10 first for 2-8 right. Exit 771, Portland approach, roger.
Okay, briefing's complete. So we did approach name NOTAMs, we got approach notes, we got distance and altitude, glide slope, we got decision at height, we got current weather, we have VASI location, I forgot that. We have a PAPI on the left.
Number 6 Papa Delta, turn rating 240, back to final approach course, descend and maintain 6,000.
240 down to 6,000, 86 Papa Delta.
So 128.
71, turn left heading
240.
Turn 340,
Yeah, I got 240 on the bug, heading mode, and 128 on the CDI.
Okay.
And 6,000 is armed.
$2,000 to go.
Okay, 2,000. We are hauling.
Number 6 Papa Delta, contact approach 118.1.
Approach on 18-1, 86 Papa Delta cadet.
Engine instruments in the green. I'm going to check the brakes. And next checklist is the landing checklist. So we're
6 Papa Delta, fly heading 220.
220, 86 Papa Delta. And 19.3 on standby, it looks good.
Number 6 Papa Delta, contact approach on 126.0.
Approach on 26.0, 86 Papa Delta cadet. And the handoffs.
yeah.
40.
All 3 approaches. Portland approach, Twin Cessna 86 Papa Delta is level 5,000.
86 Papa Delta, 400 approach, going to maintain 4,000.
Out of 4,000, 86 Papa Delta.
Any icing?
2,500,
Nope.
there's the mic.
How's your spinner looking?
Yeah, can you maintain your own
Maybe a little frosty, not much.
altitude?
No, not really much.
There's mic. 02 mic, you're cleared to here. Number 6 Papa Delta, you can expect to be a straight in ILS runway 13 right, 5 from Dala, maintain 3,500 till established, localizer cleared, ILS runway 13 right approach.
Alright, turn inbound.
Delta traffic, 1 o'clock, 5 miles northwestbound. There's be maybe a glider at indicating 2,100.
And approach 86 Papa Delta, we don't have that traffic in sight yet.
6 Papa Delta, it looks like he's still staying south of the approach course, at least by a mile. So I'll update you as you get closer.
Thank you. Alright, 160, we're going pretty fast.
6 Papa Delta, traffic factor, radar service terminated, contact Hillsborough Tower 119.3.
Up to tower 19.3, 86 Papa Delta, have a good day.
Good day.
Hillsborough Tower, Twin Cessna 86 Papa Delta, ILS 13 right.
Chester 86 Papa Delta, Hillsborough Tower, traffic passing the numbers on the left down, runway 20, the Cessna is going to land prior to your arrival, runway 13 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 13 right, we'll be looking, 86 Papa Delta.
Air conditioning off. Cabin pressure 0. Landing gear 3 green.
Clear for the option.
Gear down, full flaps.
Gear down, full flaps.
Clear to land.
Cleared.
Northeast tees, can we get the left on Bravo?
46 Papa Delta, expedite through the intersection, traffic 3/4 mile final, and then the left Bravo, Bravo 2 to parking, have a good day.
We'll expedite to Bravo, Bravo 2 to parking. Cessna 86 Papa Delta.
Okay, you got controls.
Alright, my controls.
I'll do a flow.
Let's start that timer.
Yep, started it. Okay, ice protection's all off. Cow flaps open. Landing lights are off and open. Taxi lights on. Weather radar flaps up. Mixtures lean for taxi. Props full forward.
Meters off.
Great flight.
Yeah, it was fun.